I have this kitty right here who is in the freaking sink. See the sink? And there's him. He's purring. I didn't put him there, I swear. He's just there. Hey, kitty. Hey, you gotta get out of there, okay? Jesus. He's just sleeping there. I don't know why I'm recording this. Type of cat just sleeps in the freaking sink. Yo, I don't know why I'm laughing, but I find this pretty funny. Look, he's asleep. He's just looking at me. Oh my god, I'm such a weirdo. Hey. You can tell his little paw prints landed there. Little footprints, see? I didn't put them there. Little evidence. Yeah, there you go. Well, I guess that's it. I just wanted to be a minute long. Even sleeping in the sink. He was licking the water, by the way. Anyways, yep, that's about it. Cat in the sink.